Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. It's been a kind of long time since I talk to you guys or meet you guys. So today we are going to play the game called as the Running Head. Actually I put a part 1 without talking, so I thought it wouldn't be that nice when I want to put like all the 9 levels in one video. So I'll try my level best to do that. So and we could actually skip to stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. We could go to stage 3 directly without playing the game, but I am going to show you guys how to do this. But stage 1 is very easy. You just have to jump from there and just see. I'm going like that, and the running heads are not that fast as us, so I'm just going to keep on running and I'm going to jump. So make sure there'll be a kind of lot of running heads right here. Oh, there's not even one. Okay, there is one here. Okay, and we are almost here. The first stage is almost completed. So there are two here. Actually, there in that place where I said there will be a lot. In that place there are at least 3 heads. So that was pretty hard for me. Now you have to stand here so that it will mark that you have completed till here. Or else if you don't stand here, you'll go from the first again. So it's like a mark that you don't need. If you even get out like this, oh my god, I went in a zigzag pattern and that worked. You guys can also do this. I'm making it very short and fast because that would not be very nice if that is very long. So I'm going right here. Okay, oh my god, she's waiting right here. The running head, I guess, because I'm going to this place because it's just waiting for me right there. So it follows me right here. Now I am going like this. You just have to keep on going. There is no particular way that I have to say. You just have to keep on going till you get an ending point. So in this time there will be the running heads sticking their heads out waiting for us like this. So that is a pretty hard one. Be careful. Now I am standing right here. This is like the pretty, just go to the side. I think you guys saw what I was doing. The running head will be waiting right there. So you just have to be sticking to the wall like this, and you have to go and the vice versa. Like if you're going to the right side, you have to go to the next left side. So I'm just going to go. Oh. That was close. I think we went in wrong direction. So yeah. No. Okay, this is pretty hard one, but for beginners, you guys. If you guys try to do it, I had done this itself for at least 10 times or 15 times. Okay, for the fourth one, don't go to this place because that will be really hard for you, and there is no exit. That it's just for us to trick. I'm going to stand in the next ending place. And then I think this is the last point for the second level. Oh, I'm getting friend request. Wow, that is amazing. No one really sends me friend request though. Okay, now he's waiting right there. I don't want to go. Okay, there's a door here. Oh, that's it, you guys. We completed the level, and let's go to stage 3. There we go. We're in stage 3, and I'm gonna jump right here. Oh my god, do you guys see that 2-headed running heads? That is pretty cool and pretty disgusting too. I don't know why that's disgusting, but yeah, did you see the lips when you get out? They'll be like ha ha ha, like that. Oh my god. Now there is something like this spinning, so we have to be careful, and it's getting harder and harder. Now you could just walk through like this. And by the way, if you are standing on a block like this or that, they cannot come and touch you. So I'm standing at the next point. Now just look at this. I'm just going like that, and this time you have to just go. As I told, there is no particular route. You just have to keep on going without leaving any gap, and they really can't fetch you or win you, whatever. Oh, I'm close. Wow, that was amazing. Now after this there will be a really the hardest one in the whole world, but this is a really cool level, the last level. So you just have to go. Oh my god. Okay, let's do that again. You just have to go like this so that it won't easily come and hit you. Whoa. Oh my god, that was close. Okay, let's do that again. That's not a pretty hard level. We have to do it, you guys. There will be a lot more hard levels. Like the 5th level is, in my personal opinion, is the hardest. So I'm just going to jump over the heads. That's like the only thing I can do. So it's like oh my god, there were 4. What do you guys mean? Okay, let's just jump over their heads. Okay, guys. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing great. Now I'm just going to keep on going. There will not be any more running heads because they are all, being at the place that we are, starting to come at that point of level. Now this is the hardest one, you guys. You guys must keep on be jumping, because if you're not jumping, you will go to the backwards and forward, which is not a very good one. So one running head is just waiting right here, and obviously we completed the level, you guys. Let's go to stage 4. I mean the stage 5, I hate it, and it's like so freaking hard, if you guys don't believe me. Now I'm just going to jump right here. Now look at this. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. We have to be really... What? Did it kill me? Well, whatever. Okay, let's try again. I mean, they are, the person who edited this game are changing the places, or like from there to there. Now I'm making them come here. Alright. Now I'm just going to go as fast as I can. Oh my god, I did it wrong job. Okay. You guys, we're doing it. Come on, let's go. Up and up. There we go. Now we have to climb through these 2 ladders. We have to stand here. I prefer going in the middle one. That's the easiest. But there are 2 big heads standing, waiting to welcome us. Yeah, of course there is no way. You just have to go wherever you think you are going, and you may just get out sometimes. Don't even worry about that. I got out like about 1,000 times when I was doing this video. Whoa, there you go. There is no need to collect the star. If you just stand on that, you win. Okay, you can continue. So oh my god, there are a lot of headsies. Okay. Okay, whatever. That's an awkward laugh. Okay. And okay, there are a lot of... I'm just going this way. Okay, we did it, not bad. Now I'm here and we got to the stage 6. Stage 5. This is not a very interesting one because I am not a pro in this, you guys. I literally forgot the way every time. So please don't judge my playing skills. I'm just gonna follow somebody. As I told you, there is no particular way to win this. It's just, playing whatever you know. Just going the way you... I don't know what to say. Just playing the way how it takes you to. So okay, I'm just gonna go this way. Can we go this way? Oh, we can. Oh my god, you guys! I again have to start from the first. Okay, now I'm going to follow somebody. As somebody, everybody's like, I know it. What do you think of me? So yeah, I'm just gonna jump over their heads. This is one of the easiest things, jumping over their heads. They look literally so funny when we jump over their heads. Okay, we can't go through like this, so we must go like this. Alright, I'm at the middle point and I'm just gonna follow these people who are going very sincerely. Oh no, oh my god, you guys, we just missed the chance. Okay, let's go again. We with full hope, you guys. Let's go. And I kind of know the way because I just played 2-3 times without seeing the camera or phone or whatever. Now yeah, I'm just gonna follow her anyway. That's very easy. Yeah, I am not a very good player in the level. What is the level? Oh no, you guys, I was almost gonna fall. Okay, we're almost here. Go to the last place like this and we have something to jump, and then you have to go through the ladder like this. I'm not a good player in the level 5. I totally accept that. I'm gonna stand here and then we're gonna go. And this, I just don't know about this, you guys. I can't predict which one is going to fall. So I luckily came through this. But if another people see, you see that? Oh my god, that was close. And finally we are to the level 6, and I'm trying my level best to do it fast, you guys, so please don't judge me. And this is not a very hard level, but yeah, this is okay. Now we have a door like this. We can go like this, but again, don't go like that. Oh my god, that is pretty scary. And the light theme is just amazing. All thanks to the editor. she's very good at editing, I guess. I mean, they did a very amazing job in doing this game. I really am obsessed with this game, but I actually completed till the 9th level and went to the boss level. You could, without winning also, you could go to the boss level. I mean, if you go to the first game, I mean first level, you have an option of selecting whatever level you want. Yes, you can select whatever level you want to go. Where am I? Yeah, you can select to till you could go. I mean, you could what am I saying? You could just skip to the level about to 1 to 3 level, and then you can go to the boss level or the single player level. Okay, now we are in the 7th or 6th level, I guess. Now we are in the 7th level. I just don't know, but this is a really cool level. I just don't know what happened to my brain power suddenly. But okay. This normally just looks like this, it's not in the normal way we play it. So I'm just gonna jump and then jump. Let's be a bit patient, but not very patient. When we are near the face of okay, well, whatever, let's do this again with full hope, you guys. Let's go. Okay, there's just a few more levels more, and this is a pretty easy level, to be precise, comparing it to other levels. Now the thing I found is, if we touch its forehead, we get out. If our body touches the forehead or the lips or the eyes or whatever, the nose, we get out. But when we touch its the back head of the hair, the very weird looking hair, if we touch that, there is no problem. That's how I jump over its head. But if you are touching its face or any part of his face, that's it, you are out. I don't know what I'm talking, you guys. I'm just out of my head. I'm sorry about that. Okay, I was just okay, whatever. We're gonna do this again. Come on, let's do this. Alright, I just don't know what to say. Come on, you guys. Oh no. Let me show you guys after I kind of win it. I mean, I go to the first waiting place. Okay, you guys, now we're at the first waiting place. Let's continue the game. Hopefully. Okay. We just need to leave the name called as hopefully, and if I just stop saying and stop talking, I am better at playing it, I guess. Okay, that was close. I'm just gonna jump in here because it can't, jump. Poor whatever. Okay, I'm done. I just wanna scream. Whatever, this is okay. But this is not a very hard level. I just don't know why I'm acting so dumb today. Well, whatever. Come on, jump right there. Okay, you better go up right now. Okay, it's coming. What? Yes. Okay. I feel bad for him. I mean, he was all the way here, right? Okay, now we have a wooden plank or something like that. I'm jumping through it, and we're just gonna go like that. Okay, not bad at all. Oops. Okay. Oh no, you guys, help me. Come on. Okay, we're just going to continuously jumping without talking. I know that's going to be hard for me, but still. I'll try my level best, I guess. Okay, it is trying to jump, but it can't jump. Okay, you better quit jumping. You're running head. Okay, there are 2 running heads right here. I think it's very angry on me. But whatever. Okay, we're almost here. Okay, that's okay. Yeah. Okay. Now it's just time to jump and go to the 9th level. Okay, it's stage 8. This is I just don't know how to explain this. Okay, this is a pretty okay level, but it took me a while to win this level, I guess. Yeah, so we just need to continuously go because they will follow us like anything. Now however I just completed, I don't know how I did that. Now I am just going like this. And this thing, it looks like, in the IT movie. Have you guys seen it? At the last, it will become a baby, and it would just, they will squish its heart, which is not a very good scene, and that looks like that. Well, whatever that is, that looks horrible. I'm just gonna keep on jumping because these balls cannot do anything to me. Come on. Alright, now we are successfully here. Okay, this is not a very hard level, they won't move, so we just have to keep on jumping and walking. Yeah, so this is like an ice level, but guess what's the next level, you guys? It's a lava level. What? Yes, it is a lava level. Now, okay, come on, jump. I just want to go to the third. Okay, I'm the last. Well, whatever that is. Okay, he's waiting. Ah, that's sweet. Okay, I just went the first, whatever. Now we're going to the level 9, which is the last level that they have, edited till right now. So it's the last level that they have edited till whatever is, that. So, and then we'll do a little bit of boss level and then end this video. I think it was great, spending time with you guys after a pretty long time. So this is a lava level, you guys. It's like completely the opposite of last, right? Okay, I don't want to get out. What do you mean? Okay. Oh, no. Why do you want to do this to me? You running head? Okay guys, come on, let's go. We're doing this, yeah. Okay, not this side, definitely not this side. Oh no, you guys. Wow, did you see the moon? Okay, I mean, I should be burning right now. Well, whatever, hopefully I'm alive till some time, I guess. At least till the boss level, the last level. Okay, stop the rhyming words. I know, right? Okay. Let's just jump. Keep on jumping. Okay. Why is that? Okay, let me just stop. Let me, play till a certain level and show you guys. Okay, you guys. Now I'm in a decent point. I just completed all that. Now let's go. Okay. I don't want to fall. Okay. That's not a very good lucky sign. So yeah, let's go. Come on, stop coming. I just came right now. Right. Okay. I'm just stopping here. Okay, and there we go. We jump and jump, and again jump and jump again. Whatever I'm talking, I just don't know. I just talk so like this, but just don't mind me, guys. Okay, let's go. Last. Okay, there we go. I'm doing a pretty good job for now. Okay. Oh, no. For just a second, I got an severe heart attack. I was just about, oh my god, I feel so bad for him. He was all the way here, right? I'm going for this freshly taken tail. I'm going to escape this thing. I just don't know what to say. Something related to lava thing, okay? So now we have to jump like that. I was about to. Okay, this is my tail. You could just jump out to any tail, you guys, even though if you're late, don't worry about that. Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah. Now we're just going to go like this. Not a very hard one, I guess. Okay, come on, tail. Yeah, there we go. I was about to fall again. Okay, if you're not going to jump, you're going right into his mouth, like the running hedgy mouth. I'm going to the boss level. Let's go, you guys. Let's go. It's the last level. Let's crush, the idiotic, stupidatic. Okay, I don't want to fall. Where am I? I guess I can shoot it. Well, where am I? Come on, I'm going to shoot myself. Okay, that didn't work. What's wrong? Come on, okay. What? I'm just gonna reset my character. I hope I'm not going to go to the first level. Okay, Now you just have to take this and shoot this skeleton, whatever that is. Okay, he's coming here. Why do you want to come here when there are so many people standing there? Huh? I'ma shoot you. I'm not afraid of you. And then there is no lives for this, you guys. You could come again and again. So that's a pretty good one of that. Okay, he's going to crush me. I know that. Okay, I don't mind. Come on, where are you? Yup, I'm done. Wow, what a beautiful image of my head. I have to take a screenshot afterwards. Okay, why do I have to get near him? Come on, where is he? Okay. Okay, I was not taking my gun, I was shooting somebody. Who was I even doing that? Come on. Okay. Okay. I don't want to be in the... Oh, wow, I'm getting friend request. I can't believe this, you guys. Okay, come on. What is wrong? The only solution is reset your character, and again, you guys gotta go. Okay. Okay, not bad. I'm just going to shoot the perfect arrow on this guy, and that's it. Now we'll get a bigger thing, a bigger monster, I guess, a bigger monster. Now let's see. Okay, this is a kind of easy one, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I'm just not able to control, go up the screen, but still I'm trying my level best, and I'm surprised that I still didn't get shot. Yeah, I'm doing my level best. Okay, I just got shot again. Okay, I'm going pretty much even a little bit near to him. The ghost, I guess, but we can't go really near to him because there are the real heads, whatever, the running heads are there. We can't go near him. Okay, I'm just going to try again. We're almost dead, you guys. We can do this. After we complete this, I'm definitely going to end this video because I am doing my level best to do this video to make it real fun, you guys. And I hope you guys like it, even though it's a bit long. I mean, for 20 minutes, that is not bad. It at least took me 14 minutes to do the 5th level. So I hope you guys are kind of okay, that's not a bad video. At least think that, you guys. So that will make me more than happy. And just do a little another thing, just subscribe to my channel and go, and so that you don't miss another video. So we are done, and okay, come on, die, you big head. I'm also gonna die. Bye. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are the best, and if you have watched the video till this end, comment down below you're done, so that I'll give you a shout out in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.